What's up, guys? I'm back. Before I begin, please hit that like button. Start there. I got a lot of things I want to talk about today. Well, maybe not a lot, a little bit. Be sure to check out, like I said, on January 21st, um, Donald J. Trump, who will be the 45th President of the United States, as he himself said that on the 21st, he is going to reveal to everyone what these drones or objects in the skies are or who they belong to. So y'all be sure to tune in. And I'm gonna upload a video at that particular time to let you guys know that my personal opinion on what he said. Um, Bear in mind that just because I'm saying that it may be scientific discovery, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's exactly what's going to happen. We don't know that. I'm just assuming, like everyone else, that this particular revealment is going to be about a scientific discovery in regards to non human intelligence. But then again, I don't know. We do know, I mean, if you are up to speed with what's going on around the world, um, that throughout many years there's been these objects in the skies that no one can identify who they are or where they come from or who they actually belong to, nothing of that nature. Just weird how they say the name drones today. I mean, you can look at it in many ways. This could just be, like I told you guys, government operation, worldwide, that is, just to see what the reaction from the citizens will be. You know, is they gonna get everybody all scared up and acting all stupid and out of control, or just going to have people be like, yeah, we expected it, you know, something like that. I don't know. I'm just giving you guys my personal opinion. That doesn't necessarily make it true because I really don't know what's going on, just like you guys don't know what's going on. I know there's plenty of people that draw their own conclusions. I know there's two sides to the coin, though. There's those that believe we're not alone in the universe, and then there's those that do not believe that there's anything in the universe other than us. And it's kind of weird that people think that way, but hey, they have the right to opinion, just as we do. So let it be. I personally believe that if it is that we have encountered some type of non human intelligence, that they've been here as long as creation. Because at the end of the day, if you believe that the Anunnaki are real, considering that this is the first civilization is the Sumerians, and they're the ones that uh, talk about the Anuna or Anunnaki in their tablets. This just goes to show that star people, or whatever you want to call them, have been here for the longest time, observing us, watching us, seeing what we're doing, seeing how we have progressed throughout the many and many thousands of years that have passed. Are we ready for them to show themselves to us? I don't see why not, because of ancient times, they show themselves to plenty of people back then. What makes it? What's the difference now if they show themselves to us now? See what I'm saying? I guess today is the only difference I see is that there's opportunity for certain individuals that sit at the top, or as the uh, politicians are saying, the bureaucrats that sit at the top. These people who happen to be non-governmental of people that think they can run the country or any country for that matter without any, that is just, I don't know, that's just weird. That's just weird. But like I said, we'll find out on the 21st, see how real this is. I know that Many channels are talking about this, but it's hard not to talk about it when you have that there was first mentioning, first we say UFOs, then they changed it to U.A.P, and now all of a sudden it's a drone thing. And I know we all know what drones are. We're talking about what, little regular drones or big size military drones that they use themselves. But the drones that are said to be out there right now in our skies, in restricted skies, by the way, clearly are not human, are not from here on Earth. No one's claiming them. Not Russia, not China, not Britain, not anyone, not any of these top countries are claiming these supposed interesting drones that are flying in restricted space. But let's see. We'll find out. We'll find out. I'm hoping that you guys tune into my videos from the past because, as you see, I'm not one of those individuals that just believe just anything because everyone else is saying it. Do I believe extraterrestrials exist? Yes. Not because everyone else is saying it, because I believe that we're not alone in the universe. That's just my personal opinion. Do I think that people can lie to us? Of course. Of course. How many times have we been lied to? Not just by out here, in all parts of the world, people are being lied to about certain things. I guess you want to call it history, because that seems to be the main course meal, history. But you decide. So first, check out how first, what was that? 19 in the 1940s is when they first coined the term UFO, unidentified flying objects. And then a few years ago they changed the name to U.A.P, unidentified aerial phenomenon. And yes, they did say unidentified aerial phenomenon first, and then it was changed to unidentified anomalous phenomenon. So it was changed. And now, of course, we get that beautiful name drones all of a sudden. But the only difference is that the drones they're talking about is not the drones from Earth. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And again, I apologize for this, my little hand moving around. I'm just trying to figure out how to keep my screen from shutting off on me because I'm not this computer genius. I try to figure out some things. And yes, I know you guys are probably wondering, hey, how come you're still not using the OBS system? I don't know. Maybe because I chose to do the videos in my way, because I feel like keeping my original self, even though I'm trying to make these videos as best as I can without the background noise, because I know that's can be a lot, you know, disturbing when you're trying to hear my voice. But that's why I try to come closer so you guys can hear me very clear. I don't know. You guys decide what you believe in regards to this. That doesn't necessarily mean, once again, that I'm telling the truth on this. I don't know if extraterrestrials are real, but I believe that they exist. Yes. No one's going to ever um, change my mind about that. I believe we're not alone in the universe. And I think it's that time that we know. Has to be. Like I mentioned to you guys before, in 2015, the NASA administrator, once again, said that we should find life by 2025. We're here. We're here. Ever since that James Webb telescope was released last year, I believe it was, or I could be wrong on that one, it managed to find a whole bunch of things out there, including thousands upon thousands of exo Earth like planets, which leaves, you know, the possibilities endless. Well, let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what exactly what going to be revealed on the 21st of this month. If it's that, I guess many of us will be like, "Oh, we're not surprised." For the doubters and skeptics, or whatever you want to call them, they're going to be very surprised because they always went and I get it. There's some people that just they do research it, and they try their best to not to go too deep into it like many of us do. You know how we say, no, we don't care. Extraterrestrials are here and that's it. For them, they want to see the data, as they call it, the data, because without that data, they don't believe anything. So if we can get some type of physical evidence that we are not alone in the universe, those people won't believe us. Let's see, let's see. Like I keep saying, let's see. Let's see. So if you like this content, please hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and check out my videos. I have over 150 videos, if I'm not mistaken, that I downloaded from 2017 all the way till today. I mean, I haven't been on for quite some time. I just um, reactivated my channel just last year. Um, but yeah, check out all the videos, y'all. Y'all see all types of things. Like for instance, I believe that these UFOs didn't come to the scene until the 1930s from Germany. Check out my videos, you'll see. I posted all that about all that, especially when you got the people of the 1950s making, I guess you could say outlandish claims that they had extraterrestrial contact. Of course, I believe a lot of it is BS, simply because I've researched deeply into those stories of the 1950s, and I'm not gonna re-talk about them when I have my videos. You guys can check out. But yeah, you'll see in today's day that all this stuff from the past was a bunch of bogus nonsense. And if we are to meet extraterrestrials or non-human intelligence in this lifetime, that would be interesting. Very interesting. I mean, I just think about the things that have been happening. Like I said, I mean, you had, I believe in 2020, you have from that guy there, Gary McKinnon, who supposedly hacked into NASA's many computers and the Pentagon, and he came up with a. Now, he didn't make any of this up. He said what he saw. He saw a whole bunch of files leading up to extraterrestrial life, pretty much, because he said he always been into all that type of stuff, and he wanted to see what NASA and Pentagon had, and he knew what he was doing when he did it. But anyways, I mean, I know he got himself into trouble. That was a long time ago. He didn't get arrested, obviously, but he got lucky, I would say. Then there was, I believe, a space chief of over 30 years. I'm sure you guys remember the name Jaime Shed, who claimed that Trump was about to reveal that extraterrestrials are on this planet. But for some reason, he was told not to do that, and he didn't do it. And then he mentioned the name Galactic Federation. He also mentioned meetings on Mars. So it was quite strange. I mean, it was in the world news. Everybody saw that. But of course, everyone just went back to their normal lives, not caring. Probably laughing off the story of the guy saying that, Trump was about to reveal they're here, and you know. But let's see. I just think there's a coincidence that now that Trump is about to be the president again, now it seems like he's going to reveal what he was going to reveal back then, and he didn't. But this time it seems like he is. Let's see. We'll see. And now everybody's going to look at all those former military officials of the past and then come to the understanding that these people never lied to us when they were telling us what's going on. They were trying for years to tell us that these governments have been lying to us about extraterrestrial life on planet Earth. But of course, everyone laughed it off. But let's see. Let's see. So, like I said, if you guys like this video, the content that I put out there, hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys believe in. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? I mean, there was a lot of things. Like I said, there's a lot of things that have been happening. We just have to pay attention and connect the dots. Because think about it. Before Trump left office, okay, the other time around, he came out with Space Force. You remember that, right? See? There's a whole bunch of things that are interesting when he left. And now that he's coming back, he's bringing the interesting thing back. But we'll find out January 21st if he's going to reveal something that he was going to reveal before, but he did not do it because he was advised not to. Let's see. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.